What's up, you guys? Shanice here, back with another video. So today we're going to be installing a oldie but what y'all said was a goodie remedy curl. I seen this hair in a Facebook group and y'all were killing it. So I was like, you know what, let me try to see what this thing do. You feel me? So yeah, I don't think mine came out like yours. I don't know, but I really put my heart and soul into this install because I really wanted it to eat. You feel me? But either way, my name is Shayla and this is my story.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib, bet she do it for the 9-9. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. No. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we a pair? 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
Okay, so let me explain myself right here real quick. Y'all see, I cut that row of hair out. That's because originally I wanted all 27 at the top. I have an ombre color that I bought, a 1B27, and the ombre color is gorgeous. But I felt like once I put in that row, because the color was so light, I just felt like it was going to be too much to cover the entire top of my head. It just wasn't giving what I wanted to give. So instead, I just decided to do more of a highlight. So I had to take that out and then, start over.
Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose petals. Don't step on my rose. Step on my rose, step on my rose, step on my rose. You told me situations left you lonely. Tried to give you my best shot, but my best don't mean a lot. Bullseye always miss, that's why it's all I got. 'Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, because you
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm fall out since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out